Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best TIG welding machines, perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their welding game with precision and power. These machines are designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from thin materials to heavy-duty welding projects. As always, all product links are in the description below for easy access. Let's explore these options, carefully selected based on ratings, reviews, durability, quality, and more, to find the one that fits your needs. Number 5, we have the ARCCAPTAIN TIG Welding Machine. This powerful 7-in-1 welder offers versatility with TIG AC and DC methods, pulse functions, and stick welding. Whether you're working with aluminum alloys or carbon steel, this machine provides precise control with adjustable parameters like pre-flow, peak current, and AC balance. Its patented dash arc technology ensures a 99.99% arc striking success rate, boosting efficiency and delivering smooth results. Equipped with a digital interface and a user-friendly LED display, it's easy to fine-tune settings for any project. At only 12 kilograms, this machine is lightweight yet robust, making it a reliable choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 4 is the AIXZ AIT200P TIG welding machine at number 4. This machine brings flexibility and efficiency with TIG AC/DC, ARC, and pulse welding functions. It offers a wide TIG output range of 10 to 200 AS, making it suitable for a variety of materials and thicknesses. Its high-rated duty cycle and impressive 85% efficiency ensure consistent performance, while its lightweight and compact design enhance portability. The AIT200P also features excellent protection with an IP21S rating, ensuring durability and safety during use. Whether for precise TIG welding or robust stick welding, this machine delivers reliable results at an affordable price point. Number 3, we have the SUSEMSE TIG Welding Machine, a high-performance option for those who value quality and versatility. This machine is designed to handle TIG and arc welding processes with certifications like CE, FCC, and RoS, ensuring its safety and efficiency. Its lightweight design and durable build make it a solid choice for both professional and personal projects. The SUSEMSE stands out with its seamless functionality and ability to deliver clean, precise welds, making it a reliable companion for welders of all skill levels. Number 2 is the HITBOX HBT250P TIG Welding Machine, a powerhouse with advanced features for high-performance welding. This machine supports TIG AC/DC and arc welding, handling materials as thin as 0.5 millimeters with precision. It offers a TIG output range of up to 200 ANT and an impressive duty cycle of 60%, ensuring consistent performance even for demanding projects. With a dual voltage input and pulse function, it's versatile enough for diverse applications, from light fabrication to industrial repairs. Its robust design and lightweight frame make it easy to transport, while its advanced features enhance productivity and efficiency for welders at any level. Finally, at number 1, we have the HZXVOGEN HBT 2000P Pro TIG Welding Machine, a top-tier option for professionals seeking cutting-edge technology and unmatched performance. Featuring IGBT inverter technology, this machine delivers smooth and precise welds, even on ultra-thin materials like 0.5 millimeter plates. It supports TIG cold welding, pulse functions, and arc welding, offering exceptional versatility. With a duty cycle of 90% and an intelligent standby mode to reduce power consumption, it's both efficient and energy-saving. The HBT 2000P Pro is designed for convenience, with a digital torch for remote control of current and gas settings, ensuring maximum welding efficiency. Its robust construction and advanced features make it the ultimate choice for anyone seeking premium quality and reliability in a TIG welding machine. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Let's keep exploring the tools that make our lives easier and our projects more successful.